Good morning, students. Welcome back to our class. How are you all? Okay, very good. Today we are going to learn a new chapter. Chapter 6, Introduction to HTML. What is HTML? What is the full form of HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. This language is used to create and design web documents. Right? This language is specially used to create, design web documents. If you want to create a website or a web page, you can use HTML language. Advantages of HTML. First, it can be created by any HTML editor and run on web page. It can be created by any HTML editor. So many HTML editors are available. Notepad, WordPad. We can use any such HTML editor for writing HTML codes, and you can run on web browser. It is a markup language, not a programming language. This is not a programming language, only a markup language. It is easy to modify. Very easily you can modify your HTML codes. After writing the codes, you can very easily modify it. Process of designing is flexible. Can be link many pages. We can link so many pages together. Case is not considered. Both capital and small letter can use. We can use capital and small letters. Any multimedia graphics, text, pictures can be inserted. Very easily you can insert any multimedia files, graphics, text, pictures. Easily you can insert in your web page. HTML editor. HTML editor is an application software that is used to create or design web pages. What is HTML editor? It is an application software used to create or design web pages. There are two types of HTML editors. Two types of HTML editor. First one, WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. What's the name of first HTML editor? WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. Example, MS Front Page and Adobe Dreamweaver. The next, text editor. Text editor. In this type of editor, the HTML tags are used to design web pages. Now we are going to learn this second HTML editor, text editor. The HTML tags are used to design web pages, and the programmer need to know how to use these tags. Example, Notepad and WordPad. Now we are going to learn how to write HTML codes using Notepad. Okay, I will explain how to open Notepad and how can you write your HTML program or HTML codes. After writing the program, you have to save the file, then you can run your program in any web browser. Okay, the next steps to create a web page. For writing HTML codes, you have to open Notepad. Just go to Start button, All Programs, Asterisk, and click on Notepad. The Notepad window will appear. Here you can type your first HTML code. After typing the HTML code, you have to save the file. Now I am going to write one HTML code. Look here, we can see one HTML code. Ready? First, you know how to open Notepad. I already explained the steps. First, go to Start button, then click on All Programs. You can see their accessories. Inside the accessories, Notepad, or directly search. Just search on the search bar Notepad and type Notepad and just search on the search panel. You will get Notepad. Okay, after opening the first window, you start typing. So first line, doc type HTML, next HTML header, then title my first program. Then here we can see here HTML inside these two brackets, and here we can see HTML 1/ is additionally here. Okay, added 1/, and the same head, and here we can see /head, then body /body, h1, then /h1. That this is called starting of HTML code or beginning of the code or command. Then this is the ending or closing. So starting, and this is the closing or opening, closing. Every HTML, almost all the HTML codes have a starting tag and ending tag. Starting tag, ending tag, or opening and closing tag. Okay, here our HTML code is HTML, my first program, then heading 1, this is a heading, then P, paragraph, this is a paragraph, and closing. Okay, /body and /HTML. First HTML program is over. Then what is the next step? After writing this code, what is the next? Then you have to save the file as .htm or .html extension. We know that every file name have two parts, first name and extension name. If you want to run Notepad file as a HTML file, the extension must be HTML or HTML. Okay, we'll explain how to save the file. First, go to File menu, click on save as. Okay, once again go to save as, then here you can type the file name. Firstly you select click here and write here all files and write test program. So we can give the name test.html. Okay, this second part is important. Don't give any space after dot. It's clear? Just I am increasing the size of this screen. See, HTML dot HTML. After this dot, no need of space. Just write HTML. Here, this is called first name and this is extension name. Extension name should be HTML. Here the first name you can give any name. Remember. Then click on save button. Before clicking on the save button, you check where your file is going to save. For easily finding out, you can just click on desktop. Okay, just click on the desktop, then save. Click on the save button. Okay, then what is the benefit? You can find out your file from the desktop. No need to go anywhere for finding the file. Just go to desktop. You can find your file from there. That is why first you are studying, only you are studying, no? On that time you can save your file in your desktop. Okay. Yes. Now go to desktop, click on the file and open it and see the result. Yes. Now you are going to open or run your first HTML code. Okay. Okay, I'm just minimizing this. This is our desktop. Where is the file? Yes, this is our file. Then double click and open it, or right button and open. Right button and click on open, or double click and open. Now you can see the result. See, in a web browser, the program is opened in a web browser. See the output. This is a heading, this is a paragraph. These two things we are given. The first, there is title was there, my first program. See the title, my first program. Then we are given, see, just to see the program, HTML head title. What was the title? My first program. And this is a heading, this is a paragraph. Now see, you can see all these changes here. My first program, this is a heading, this is a program. This way we can very easily write HTML programs. Okay, I hope that you understood the topic, what is HTML and how to write HTML code. This way we can write any HTML program. You can design wonderful web pages, finally link all the web pages and design a wonderful website. Then next, after closing this notepad, then how can you open it again? That I will explain how to open this notepad again. Now, how to open the notepad file and how to edit your HTML program. Okay, it's very simple step. Okay, if you want to edit your file, notepad file, after closing the file, you cannot see the notepad file, but your saved program or HTML program is here. Then I will tell you how to edit your program. You can write any program using this HTML editor notepad. Then after closing this, how can you modify or how can you edit your program? Just right click your program and open with. I'm using Windows 8, that is why. Then click on the notepad. See, this is your program. The program is opened here. You can make any changes here. This is my first program, and here also we can give your website name, and you can add more heading 1, heading 2. You can give the italics, underline. Okay, this way you can edit your file. After making all the editing, just go to file and click on save button. Just click on save button. The next time no need to give a save as. Save as is only for giving the file name, but your file is already saved, so you just click on the save button. You can see all the changes in your program. Okay, I hope that you understood this topic. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.